Good morning, my dear students. Now let us see here about the simple component complex. This is the new topic in grammar now. Today we are going to learn about the simple component complex. Now see here, depending on their grammatical structure, sentence can be classified into three types: simple, component, complex. So there are three types of sentences, and these sentences can be classified into simple, component, complex. Now see here, it is a sentence which has only one subject, one predicate, and only one finite word. It is called simple sentence. So just let us discuss here about the simple sentence. So simple sentence means just it consists one subject and one subject, one predicate. It is called simple sentence. One subject and one predicate, and only one finite word. It is called simple sentence. So, for example, I did not understand classical music. What is here? In this simple sentence, it has only one subject, one predicate, and only one finite word. Only one finite word. It is called simple sentence. So now, for example, I did not understand classical music. So one subject, one predicate, and only one finite. Only one finite. Understand, did not understand, it is a predicate. I did not understand, it is predicate. So one subject and one predicate, and just one finite word. So just one finite word. This is called the simple sentence. For another example, he looked a puzzle. He looked a puzzle. So it is only he. Here is only one subject, and looked a puzzle is one predicate. It is only one predicate. This is called simple sentence. Now see here another example. It consists of two or more main or independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions, or coordinators are called compound sentences. Now let us discuss about the compound sentence. We have seen here about the simple sentence. Now let us discuss about the compound sentence. So compound sentences, these sentences consist of two or more main or independent clauses. Two or more independent clauses joined by coordinators. Joined by coordinators or conjunctions are called compound sentences. Compound sentences. What is here? Formula means these sentences consist of two or more main words, and these main clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions or coordinators, and these type of sentences are called compound sentences. So for example, each independent clause in the compound sentence has just one subject and one finite. See here another information about the compound sentence. Each independent clause in the compound sentence has just one subject and one finite. These compound sentences consist of two or more main or independent clauses, and these clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions. These independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions, and these compound sentences has the just one subject and one infinite. Independent clauses, and these independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions, but each clause has separate just one subject and one finite. These types of sentences are called compound sentences. Now see here, and some common coordinators are and, but, or, so, therefore, etc. So these are the coordinators. These are the common coordinators or conjunctions. And with these conjunctions, these independent clauses are joined. For example, we touch it and become gold ourselves. So these are separate clauses. These are separate clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions. What is the conjunction here? And. What is the conjunction here? And. So these separate independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions or coordinators. And what is the coordinator here? And this is why this type of sentence is called compound sentence. Another example is here, number 2. I have heard it hundreds of times, so it did not really prove anything. I have heard it hundreds of times, so it didn't really prove anything. So this is the first clause, independent clause, and another independent clause is here. It didn't really prove anything. These are the separate independent clauses, and these separate independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction. Joined by coordinating conjunction. What is the conjunction here? So. What is the conjunction here? So. So these separate clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction. So, and that is why these types of sentence is called compound sentence. And each independent clause each independent clause has just one subject and one infinite. Here is a one subject and here is also one subject. And heard and prove, it is a infinite. So these are the independent clauses, and these independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction. So this type of sentence is called compound sentence. And so is a coordinator. So is coordinator. Number here. Number third. What is what is about the complex sentence? What is about the complex sentence? It consists of main clause and one or more subordinate clause joined by subordinators or subordinate conjunctions. Some common subordinators are WH words, because, though, and, though, or, etc. So here about the complex sentence. So complex sentences consist of main clause. Consists of main clause and one or more subordinate clause. One main clause and one subordinate clause or more subordinate clauses, and joined by subordinators, joined by subordinate conjunctions. And these subordinate conjunctions are WH words, because, though, etc. So if you see in the sentence WH words, two independent clauses are joined by WH words, or because or though, these types of sentences are called complex sentence. For example, I was going to say something ordinary so that I could get out of the situations. So these are the two clauses. These are the main clauses. And joined by the coordinators, which so that joined by the subordinators or conjunctions, so that these are the separate clauses, main clauses, and one or more subordinate clauses. So these are the subordinate clauses. These are the coordinators. Number 2, he had not remembered that his brother was very ill. So this is another sentence, and this sentence is joined by that. So this is the information about the complex sentence. we had not remembered that his brother was very ill. So this is the information about the simple, compound and complex sentence. So complex sentences, these complex sentences consist of main clause and one or more subordinate clause joined by subordinates or subordinate conjunctions, and some subordinates are WH words because, though. So this is the hints for recognize the complex sentences. Okay, so let us stop here.
Give sir.
Okay.